My name's Mackenzie and I am in the TIG and Fab class. I'm taking this class because I thought that welding would be a better career for me, and I saw a lot of interest in it and passion, and the teachers up here definitely helped me find it.
My name's David Villacana. I'm the department chair of the Industrial Arts Department, and I can teach any of the classes in our department, but typically I'll teach the oxy-acetylene welding, TIG welding, and welding fabrication. Students have a lot of career opportunities when they learn how to weld in various industries, such as mining, manufacturing, there's aerospace industries, fabrication, pipe welding, and the list goes on. A student could expect a positive learning environment and a lot of hands-on work with instructors.
My name is Michael Roca, and currently we are in the fab shop right now, but I am taking tools and blueprints. Well, my goal is to further my knowledge in my BA. I'm trying to go for a mechanical engineering degree. Taking these courses has been very fun. It's a broad aspect of learning something new every day. You know, putting stuff together is what we usually do here in welding.
My goal is to hopefully become a pipeline welder, and I actually just got accepted to Hobart Institute of Welding Technology in Ohio. I chose Saracosa because I wanted a place that would welcome me and would make me feel like I could do it and would help support me in any learning that I needed.
What separates Saracosa Industrial Arts Department from other programs is when students come here, they're going to meet instructors that have a lot of real-world experience. We've all worked in the trades, we've worked in the field, and we can work with students and teach them what they're going to experience as they get into the workforce.
Getting to see you put your projects together and seeing how much you improve from day one, and then by the end of the semester, if you keep all your stuff, you can see your improvement towards that. And I feel like that's a good aspect, to know that you are knowledgeable, to know that you're getting better, and it helps you out, I guess, you know, with your self-confidence to know that you are doing better.
What I love about teaching in our department is working side by side with students, especially when we have a particular student that maybe they're struggling with learning a concept or figuring out a certain welt joint design. And once they figure that out and they know what's going on and what to expect, you can kind of see the happiness in their eyes, and it's almost like a light bulb effect.